Kenya is still mourning the death of the world marathon record breaker Kelvin Kiptum. The late Kelvin Kiptum came to the limelight after winning the Chicago Marathon in October 2023, setting the world record of 2 hours 35 seconds. In 2022, the 24-year-old Kiptum won Valencia Marathon, setting the world record of 2 hours 1 minute and 53 seconds. In April 2023, he again won London Marathon in a course record of 2 hours 1 minute and 25 seconds. The death of Kelvin Kiptum has shocked the country, where Kenyans are questioning his death being normal. Looking at the car that the late Kiptum and his coach were traveling into shows a side and a backlash, raising the question if this was a planned accident. In Facebook, several bloggers took it to their social media early last year. One of them, named Abdul Shem, wrote the following. This was in September 7, 2023. Abdul Shem wrote, "According to reliable sources, it has come to light that Patrick Sang, the esteemed coach of Eliud Kipchoge, had a false plea for Kelvin Kiptum. This plea entailed urging Kiptum not to participate in the coming Berlin Marathon. Finishing off competition is the motto. Wilson Kipsang might have been a victim. Kiptum may not represent Kenya at the Olympics. Cartel will finish him off soon." Neymar Kib wrote on September 10, 2023, Nike company will never allow Eliud Kipchoge to compete with Evans Chebet or Kelvin Kiptum because Kipchoge will be beaten and he is their brand ambassador. He athletic bado ukora mingi sana. On the other hand, Nelson Denzel Kirui took to his social media handle and wrote, "This was an accident that happened early last week on Sunday." He wrote, "A friend of mine driving a vehicle that resembles Kelvin Kiptum's had a head-on collision accident last Sunday at the exact same spot at nearly the same time. I can't believe it's a coincidence. Last Sunday's accident might have been a mistaken identity. Mutoyo by Kiptum." These are some of the sentiments that Kenyans have taken to their social media handles, raising concerns about the death of Kelvin Kiptum. May the soul of Kelvin Kiptum and his coach rest in peace.